In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix YouTube error 153. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is, if you're having issues in the app, you can try to access YouTube in the web version. So launch your preferred browser, head over to the official website of YouTube. From here, you can access YouTube. Next thing you want to do is check for app update. Head over to App Store or Play Store, search for the app YouTube. Once app appears, if you see the option update, click on it. With these, your problem might be fixed. If still you're having the issues, clear cache for the app. So launch settings. Go to General, click on iPhone storage. From the list of apps, find YouTube and launch it. Now, here you're gonna find this option of Upload app. Click on it again. Then click on Reinstall app. If you're using Android device, press and hold on the YouTube app. Click on App Info. Go to Storage. Inside that, you're gonna find the option of Clear Cache. Click on it. Lastly, if this solution didn't work out for you, completely delete YouTube app from your device and reinstall it. And with these fixes, your YouTube error 153 will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.